Okay, folks, this is a continuation. My recording stopped while I was in the middle of going through this project, and now it's a little odd. So I'm on page 41. So I'll try to explain what's going on here. Okay, so here's a motel name. I'm on step 8 on page 41. They want us to choose Rapid City, choose OK, and so I've got an extra couple of fields here because I built them not realizing what was happening. Okay, so that's the individual hotel, which is Rapid, and in the projected cell C9 you should have 3731, it says. And then if we do the Lincoln instead of Rapid, uh, just another test, you should have um, the projected revenue for this one, which is $17.99. Okay? And we'll make those all of these guys. Now we have all the hotels. Okay, this is where I kind of screwed up. Sorry about this. I'll just take you through this. I'm on page 43. We created a calculated field for ADR. We clicked in the pivot table. We went up to the field sets icons, or fields, items, and sets, and we did a calculated field. We called it ADR. And then step 3, we typed the formula out. And one of the things you're going to have to do is you're going to have to choose the items from this list down here and then choose insert field. Okay, I'm going to cancel this because I have my sets. If I list my, that's not what I wanted to do. Let's see if I can find. Sure, I can bring this back up to. Here we go. No, that's not it. Okay, so what we did was we were in the pivot table, we went to fields, item, sets, we chose to build a calculated field, and we followed the steps on page 43. There's an image on page 43 of what that's going to look like. But again, you do have to use the insert button here in order to get these two things to show up. Other thing that we had to do is if you notice real closely, there's a blank space after ADR. Same is true here. So when they ask you to rename it, just be sure that you put a blank space in there. And you can see that in step 6 on page 43, and there'll be another just like it coming up for the red par. Okay, and that's at the bottom of page 44. But again, they give you all the details for what those calculations should look like. Okay, moving right along. I think I'm going to stop this recording here. And this will be the end of section 2, and I'll create a new video for section 3. Okay, so sorry to have such a really short part B to section 2 here, but technology, right? Okay, thanks folks.